Digitization of the exercise, we shall extract a voters register from the membership register. That will mean that we shall not include, we shall remove those who are below 18 years, 16 and 17 years. They will not constitute part of the voters register. So once the voters register is extracted from the membership register, it will be handed over to the NRM Electoral Commission to conduct the party structure elections. And very soon the Central Executive Committee will sit to approve the guidelines and the roadmap, which will include having the party structures, having the primaries, and also having the national conference, which shall also elect the flag bearer for presidential campaigns.
The timing of the coincidence in timing was not a big issue, but people were segregated enough to know if you're FDC, what business do you have with the NRM, if you're affiliated at national level. So I think we should not scapegoat. Let them also register their members and let them also have their processes. Even if they have it when the election commission is having, let them also do it. So to me, I have no problem whatsoever. The only problem I have is that they are scapegoating for their own failures. But we have to.
Nagendako ebusoga, negendako mu Ankole, negendako mu Lango, negendako mu Toro, ne Bunyoro. Abantu baffe kati bategeera nti waliwo kigenda mu maaso. Ekyokubiri, buli omu gw'olaba ayagala beewo bamuwandiike amanyi nti mu kibiina mwendi oba siriimu. Ekyokusatu kitandise kutuyambako kati bwe bagenda kugenda digito obeere ng'oli moroto n'okeberako noga mu register mwendi. Ekyokusatu kijja kutuyambira naddala